Okay, so now second time we selected text exclude children. So is it selecting all the element classes which are supposed to be selected? Then answer is no, it's not selecting those. You can click a selecting pattern to expand the scope of the current selector. Let's see. Oh, this is something interesting. What did I do? Select a pattern. Let's see if it is selecting from both. Okay, let's go back. I would again do this. Come back to row. Here the edit. Okay. So again, yeah, let's reselect column find. Shift. Okay, Bangalore Karnataka. Okay, it is here. So is it selecting all? Okay, now we did something. I don't know what did I do, but it's selecting multiple. What did I do? Let me start doing once more. Column. Okay, here column was selected. It was also not selected, but we kept it open. Let me just, okay, it's by default. So find, if we do this, it's saying shift. And if we select, what did I do? I don't know what magic I did. कुछ हो गया बस. Okay, select pattern. Got it. Got it. Something is happening. Okay, let me just close. Start all fresh again. New recipe. Row. Find. Only this is giving me shift. So this definitely first, this is definitely a success, but select pattern, you can select a pattern to expand the scope of the current selector. Let's see. Okay, now this is selecting the entire stuff. Let's see if there is a possibility. Though it is giving selecting. All right. So select pattern, then first we had option of only selecting this for which we created a recipe. But again, we started creating a recipe right from the scratch again. Let me just close. This was the result. We went to recipe creator, new recipe, list page, then rows, find. Then we have selected first this much only, which because Google was not allowing us to select all the 4. Then here it was, then we selected only that much. Then we just clicked select pattern. This is the first time learning for me as well. Then it has expanded that selection rows. And then we click element class, then all the things got selected. Let's see if there is a possibility, even it's a learning for me as well. I didn't know about it. Confirm. Now go to columns. In column li URL, just URL. URL as a text, find, shift, yes. All the URLs got selected. No other unnecessary information. Confirm. Add new. Title as a text. Find just the title. Shift. All the titles got selected. Confirm. Add new. Location as a text. Find location or any additional information in this field, which is little grayed out. Shift. Here is little mess up. So it's selecting, if I say this is URL is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So if I'm selecting this, this is selecting third and fourth both. If I select this, wow, this is selecting only third. Wherever is only a location is available, it's selecting only location. This is superb. Nice, really nice. And wherever we do not have a location, a third element is missing, it's not selecting. I think this will go through. Confirm. And now text. Text result as a text. Find. This is a text. I'll take this much. Shift. Nice. All text got selected and only text got selected. So here we have a location, but that did not get selected, only the text. Here also we have location that did not get selected, only the text. And it has selected only text. Wow, superb. I think we are good. X-ray also. So confirm. Navigation, it was somewhere 266, I believe. Let's say find. Shift. Select it all. One sibling. I would directly jump to, okay, 10. So I think it was 266. Yes, it got confirmed. It got highlighted. Test navigation. Yes, it's going for a third page as well. Nice. Coming back to columns. 27, 50, 50, 50. Amazing. Super. Okay, so we are on third page. Now we see Google all for results. Save. Run recipe. All right. Nice. We got nice data. Now we see next page. Scrape another 3 pages. Start pagination. No, it's not scraping the right because that element is wrong. Again, edit. It's staying on the same page. Again, go back to navigation. So I think we need to take that manual approach. Find. Come back to second page. Navigation, find. This or this also. Okay, let me just see once in case this takes to the next page. Yeah, this is also, and this. So there are 2 buttons, this and this, both are taking to the next page. So let's say come to second page. So navigation, find, shift. Nice. It's somewhere here only. Nice. 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 This is superb. It got highlighted with orange and what we say that blue color. And then confirm. All right. Now we would say save. Now run recipe. It become a little small. Come here. Okay, so this 50 result script. Next page. Scrape another 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 pages. Start pagination. Hey, close, 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 close. Google suspected. Okay, anyways, Google is also suspecting now. Okay, again run. Let's see in case if this time Google suspects. So 1 2 3. Next page. Wait for 5. Wait for 10 seconds, we'll say, so that Google would not suspect. So in case if you find the experience of where Google or GitHub is suspecting, then make it wait for 10 seconds or make it wait for 25 seconds so that it says, okay, fine, there is some human who is spending some 25-30 seconds on a page and trying to do some activity. But within 5 seconds, with the results of 50 pages, immediately we are moving. Then Google suspect, hey, there's a robot which is doing such suspicious activity. So in that cases, increase this time. Start pagination. Okay, yes, it gone to the 4th page. So wait for 10 seconds. Yes, it gone to the 5th page. If you see here, it's on a 5th page. Wait for 10 seconds. So now Google is not suspecting that these are robots. Yes, it gone to the 6th page. So that's the importance of why to wait for these many seconds. And then, yeah, close it. Download as Excel. Save it. Open. Yes. Nice. Now we got those text results. We got those locations wherever it is available. We got those titles. And there's a little mess up here because this is came twice. So we just come here, Control C, Control V. So now, okay, so this is the one which is a separator, or this is the space which is a separator. Yeah, space is a separator, space is a separator, space is a separator. So I would say either we would use this part, take this part, Control C, copied it, take it, data, text columns, next, no, back, next, other, paste it, whatever we took, paste it here in other, next, finish. Oh no, that entire messed up. Again, go back. So here, what is a separator? LinkedIn.com. No. URL. Space, no. HTTPS, no. How do I separate it? Okay, let's say this itself is a separator. So if we separate with this,
I
no.
believe space will work here, right? Because we are
Huh?
trying to copy this URL only, right?
Yeah, just a second. We'll use still the separator.
Shiv, you did this last time where you replaced it with a space and then you use the concatenate, this
We
delimiter.
got it. Yeah. Next, finish. All right, here we got this. Here we got this. Here we got this. Okay, we'll first do with space. That is not working. So text column. Next, no, back, delimitate. Next, and then just take space, not this. Next, finish. So wherever we have these 3 dots, I don't think we'll be able to, because Google itself is not showing a result, but wherever we have this ones, we should be able to. Okay, so this must be linkedin.com/in.linkedin.com. So in.linkedin.com changes to linkedin.com, www.linkedin.com. Let's open one of the other profile of LinkedIn. Let's say this profile. So it becomes https linkedin.com. Yes. So we come to Excel. Home, find and select, replace what? Find what, first of all? Find https :// in dot linkedin.com. Right, this is what it is here. Replace with https :// www.linkedin.com/in/. Replace all. 200 replacement. Okay, close. Let's say remove this all. Then now equal to,
You can also concatenate, no?
yes, concatenate this. So here user ID goes, comma. Anyways, this / is here. So we just do this /. This is how it looked like. But in majority of the cases, we do not have those complete URL, but otherwise, wherever we could see this, maybe my page settings has those many results per page, 50 results per page. So that's the reason majority of pages is having this triple dots. Let me just change the setting once. Still that triple dots, it's still coming, no problem. Anyways, we come here. Okay, we came here, Were we on this same Excel? Okay, here we got that concatenated thing. Then we copy this. Came to the first page. Remove 1 second. Paste it. Let me just copy. Come here. Paste it. No. I need to break those.
Just to paste values only.
We can always break it. Just copy paste it in Notepad and you would have broken. Notepad as a word. All right. So yeah, this becomes here. So there are some places where we have direct URL and there are some places where we do not have a URL. Then how to overcome that? Now concatenate all four. Concatenate this. Maybe this 3 dots we might have to remove, or this title and the text result. So, okay, title first, comma, text result second, comma, space, tick, 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 second, then double quotes, linkedin.com /in double quotes, and then this. So how does this looks like? Okay, this becomes linkedin.com /in, and then a combination of title and a text result. Let's say now we search for this. So that's isn't like X-raying, what we say this, getting that Google result would be a little difficult. So yeah, this is what it is. Same person, Indian Institute, looking for data analytics, ML, SD, student, IT, the word, intellectual. So coming back here. And yeah, now usually if I have to search, I'll use these searches on Google, going back to, but otherwise this is what looks like. If we have to give those email IDs, we can pick up from here. All are kind of looking for Bangalore, their titles. Here, there are some of the results where we have direct results with their URLs. We can just directly take their URL and visit. That's again with concatenate formula, we have created their URLs wherever we get their user IDs. Like this, these are the user ID, Black Mishra, or this one, these are all the user IDs. If we don't have a user IDs like this kind of a result, then we take a combination of title, text with the concatenate title and text, space. This is to give the space, comma, space, double quotes. Again, there's a space between double quotes. That's where it creates a space between double quotes. So if we have to give that, this from title to this, if we need this particular space, then it has to be like this. And then again, comma, just to make sure that we are getting from a LinkedIn, that's a linkedin.com /in. Like say this person also, combination of title and the text, and we get that. So we get the other result, but the first one would be the as accurate. Ankit. Pressure not working. So pressure not working, this one. Yeah, all right. Any doubts, confusion, little tough, little easy, need practice?
We need practice.
But I think we can, the good thing is that we finally find out how to get the results of all those 4 in URL, in title, location, and in text. And yeah, this been recorded.
That is a good thing, actually.
Yeah.
Shiv, if you can upload this video for today, it will be really nice. So we can
Immediately,
practice.
next 10-15 minutes, I'll do that after this call.
Right. Yesterday's was really helpful. So we could do this.
Great. Yeah, even this also, I'll do it immediately after this call.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts, any questions?
No, Shiv.
We're good, right? So in
Shiv,
case,
can you
Yeah.
just- Hello, Shiv,
Yeah,
Rachita
yeah.
here.
yeah, Rachita.
I requested that yesterday also, if we can give 5 minutes and quickly scan through us through Stack Overflow code editing. I forgot that totally, and I'm not been able to do it now. If it's okay for with everyone.
Maybe next session we'll do it in that case. Next session, you asked me in the beginning itself. We'll cover that, then we'll go
Surely.
over the agenda. Okay.
I got it.
Upload
All
these
right.
videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're good. And then, yeah, don't forget to, after doing all this, don't forget to save it. Otherwise, this CSV sheet would not get saved. It would change the format completely. You close it and later on you try to open it, it will change the format completely. Bharti, we are good?
Yes, Shiv.
Hmm?
Yes.
Good confusion, because you definitely have to go through the video, because to understand how did we actually went ahead and created a recipe which could fetch a data from in URL, in title, location, and text. That's the most important catchy thing from today's session.
Yes, Shiv.
Yeah. Aditi, you were a first time joining here? Today, first time I see your name. We can't hear you. No. Susan?
Yes, I'm joining for the actually second time. That was long time back. I joined first time.
Got it. Fine, no worries.
If you could share your WhatsApp number, I didn't get it in the chat.
Let me just share it. So in case if someone is here who is joining for the first time, please ping me on a WhatsApp. I'm just sharing my WhatsApp number here. That is +91 80 50 02 0304. Okay, just ping me on WhatsApp. I'll add it to the group, and maybe next month we'll start another 9th batch from scratch, and there you might be able to join and get started. I know this might be a little bit confusing and bouncing, but once you start from the scratch, I'm sure that you'll be able to connect the dots. All right, so that's it for today. Any further doubts, questions, confusion, please do let me know. But otherwise, we can get disconnected. Allow me 10-15 minutes of time. Immediately I'll upload and share it with you all.
Shiv, I have a question regarding SalesQL.
Can we connect in next session?
No, just very brief one. If you could just answer yes or no kind of. The result which you have got now, Akshita and all that names, we have to open each profile to get the email IDs.
Yeah. SalesQL is basically a LinkedIn extension. It's not a extension which could take it from results from a Google page.
Okay.
Where
So, but with the just the name, we can get it, is it?
let's say
Without
it will be
opening the
search.
profile.
Just a second. No, here we do not get. We have to open the profile. If you have to use a sales query, you have to open the profile.
Okay, because I have, they have blocked my account, so I just wanted to check.
In that case, what you do, let's give some limited results, limited searches. Okay, now you have some of the email addresses here. Let's remove this email also. Keep the search simple. Oh. Now we get from Bangalore, entitled software development engineer, Gmail or this. Okay, so let's say you get like this, or people who would have mentioned in title itself. Okay, so let's say if you get something like this, then Okay, you got it. Then you have, if not SalesQL, you have something where you just try to, your intention should be getting a results which is displaying the email IDs. Once you get that, maybe later session will connect it. Email track of a Gmail, email. No, it's not here. Okay. No, it's not this. So once we
You
get
can do
this
email
result-
scraper.
no, email extractor. Email extract. So yeah, it's added actually, in fact. Enable this item. Okay, so yeah, we get this 51 email IDs, collect email IDs. So yeah, we would have got this email IDs. So again, 51 extracted. Resume extraction. Collected emails. When first time found, last time found 21.8, not this. Okay. Let me just take this one. Enable this item. Refresh. Refresh. Yeah, this 3 has become 17. So Sujit Kumar, Manasa. So yeah, Mansa, Kumar, Sujit. So what are the email IDs are on this page? You get all this and then copy paste in the sheet. Then again, go to the next page. Come to second page. Here you have 20 email IDs. Mobis T for you, Jubar Sai, Richard Swang, Vijay Lodha. You can take it. So Mobisi and all those 20 email IDs. Again, copy it in the Excel. Then go to the next page. So your intention should be, okay, instead of keeping that, let's say in title, and then here I'm using titles, job titles basically. So just one software development engineer in the interest of time. And then Bangalore, just in interest of time. So this is again a list of result who would have mentioned their email IDs in the titles or anything. We get that. So now here we have only 3. So yeah, that might be one possible approach what you can take, where your intention should be getting those email IDs on the web page like Manish, BLR or Mansa, something like that. In case if those email IDs are coming on a web page, then you can use this email extractor, which could fetch those. But yeah, SalesQL is definitely not a Google search extension. It's a LinkedIn extension.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah.
Is there any limit for this email extractor also? How many emails we can fetch? Like,
I don't know, but